I bought a carburetor kit from O'Reilly's. Um, it had a bad power valve in it. It leaked. Diaphragm was no good. So, Holly sends me a new power valve, right? I'm like, well, all right, that's good, but the carburetor kit came with the black gaskets, which I really didn't think nothing of. You know, carburetor's already tuned. I know what I need to do to it, so I just put it together and it'll be fine. They're like, no, the carburetor kit you got should have come with the blue gaskets, which are reusable. So we're not going to send you new gaskets. What are you talking about? You know, the kit I got from O'Reilly's had the black gaskets in it. They said, no, that's not right. It should have come with the right gaskets, the blue gaskets. I said, well, it didn't. I said, well, we can't send you new gaskets, but here's a power valve. Well, that doesn't help, does it? So I did some research and everything else. It turns out the kit that O'Reilly sold me, is over 20 years old. They stopped putting black gaskets in it in 2000 was the last time. So this kit's 25 years old, or at least 25 years old. So I'm going back and forth with O'Reilly's, and I'm going to go right over there and talk to them. But I get in this truck, and this switch gave out. I bought that switch from O'Reilly's about 3 months ago. This has been an ongoing thing with O'Reilly's and everybody else. But yeah, that's a new switch. So here I am about to go over to O'Reilly's to bitch about one problem, and then a new problem shows up. This is getting ridiculous. Water pump leaked. Fuel filter went bad. More and more and more problems. And, I'm not going to buy more parts. This should have been fine. But it's not. So, anyways, this is dumb. Yeah, back of it popped right off. How the fuck can you sell junk like this? Alright. Sitting here thinking how I can make the switch better. All the guts are good. It's a brand new switch. But there's nothing to really hold the back. How can we fix this? Alright, Alright. This goes in here. there's the little tiny spring. Goes here somehow. Whoop. God, I gotta clean this place. Come on. Alright, that goes there. And this. That goes in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. That goes in there. Right? There's your switch. But that's just going to pop out again. There's not really anything in there. If I just take a punch and push it all in and be happy with it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that would do it. Right? Just go around with a punch. And then that should hold it. Okay. That's what we're going to do. Alright, there are many different ways to try this, but this seems like it's the most effective way. See what happens. There we go. Yeah. One. Ow. That's two. 3. 4. Well, they ain't coming out now. Yep, there ain't no way that's coming out. All right. Yeah, I just went around. Pushed it all in tight. Ain't no way it can pop out. Doesn't move around. Right? So, I don't think this switch will fail again. I just can't believe they couldn't do that from the beginning. You know? Let's go try it. See how it does. I'm pretty sure it's fixed. There you go. New and improved. All right. Moment of truth. Get a little bit of oil pressure. Perfect. Nice.
How long do you think it'll last?